The music hits, lights move with every bit, and the room starts to come alive. At the center, a speaker built to carry it all. 100 watts of bold sound, deep bass, and rhythm-driven lighting. Oh, okay. Even when devices run low, it keeps them charged, and the energy never drops. Well, today we are talking about the LFS Bluetooth speaker, and it's been me and my girlfriend's favorite go-to portable sound system for the past couple of weeks. Well, before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel, support honest content. Oh yeah, we have left a link to this product in the description box. Go ahead, check that. But before that, wouldn't you love to watch through this video? Okay, let's go through this review first. Unboxing reveals a compact but solid frame. Matte finish wraps around the body, smooth to the touch and solid to hold. Buttons respond with a gentle click set into the top panel for simple control. Around back, ports sit protected beneath sealed waterproof cover, IPX6 rated, ready for kitchen splashes or drink spills. Dual base radiators line the sides, built to move with every bit. The design balances function with durability. Small enough to carry, strong enough to take the pressure. A speaker that looks ready before it even makes a sound. Once the music stirs, the speaker takes over. Two subwoofers drive a deep, steady bass while tweeters lift the highs with clarity. DSP technology shapes the sound in real time, tightening the lows, smoothing the mids, sharpening the highs. The result is full and balanced, with 100 watts of clean output that holds strong track after track. Every detail stays clear, even at higher volume. LED lights pulse in rhythm, cycling, breathing, or flickering to match the beat. Color moves with the sound, adding motion to every drop. The energy builds naturally, pulling people into the flow. With stereo pairing, left and right channels split wide, giving music space to open up. No extra gear, no setup stress. Just sound, light, and momentum, working in perfect sync from start to finish. Well, the speaker adapts to whatever is happening. Paired in stereo, two units open up a wide, balanced sound field. Left and right channels split cleanly, letting a song move with depth and direction. Instruments stretch across the space, vocals stay centered, the entire mix feels open, like it's built to breathe. In quieter moments, one speaker plays low in the background. Bass softens, highs stay smooth. The lights can glow gently or fade out completely. The sound never drops in quality, it simply settles into the moment. Loud or low, active or still. The speaker blends in and supports the mood without ever stepping in the way. The sound holds steady, and so does the power. One full charge keeps the music running for up to 30 hours. No plug, no slowdown. Even when a phone runs low, the speaker jumps in with USB-C charging, keeping things moving. Music plays, devices recharge, and the vibe stays up. Whether it's a long session or a casual loop, the battery delivers without missing a bit. Built to last and built to back everything up. Well, I can understand that I may sound a bit excited because this LFS Bluetooth speaker is a pretty exciting thing. Big sound, clean processing, reactive lights, and reliable backup power. This speaker holds its own. With waterproof protection, 30-hour battery life, and stereo pairing, it handles sound and style in one solid build. After hours of use, it still performs like it's just getting started. No fuss, no overthinking, just great audio every time. I must mention, for the price, it delivers real value. More features, more flexibility, and better energy than most in its range. Check the link in the description to order. Early buyers get access to exclusive discount coupons. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Please don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section, cause we are gonna give away a LFS Bluetooth speaker to one of our lucky subscribers.